In this video, I'm going to show you how to cut a wall in Planner 5D. So there's actually a few ways to do this, depending on if you're talking about room walls like these over here, or if you've actually drawn them yourself. So if you've drawn a wall yourself, so you use the build button over here, and then this draw walls tool just like this, you double clicked, pressed enter, and you have your wall right now. There's of course a few ways to cut this one first. So you can either click on it, and then you can click on the hide button, and that's going to hide the wall, or you can click on this delete button, which is going to delete the wall, and that way it's going to cut it. So just like this, delete, and there we go. Now if you want to cut it into smaller parts, you could use this tool over here, but it's a little less convenient. It's much easier if you just use the build wall tools again. So if I click on over here, and if I go to draw walls, I can go and draw like the first portion. For example, click, let's say, from here to here. Now we have the first wall. If I press the enter button, it's going to take effect, and now I can draw another wall. So I can click on over here, and I can go, for example, to here, and I have, of course, when I press enter, drawn a new wall, and now I can go to draw walls again and do this one as well, for example, down here. Now notice how I've done this, and these walls are now kind of overlapping. So to actually do this, you simply want to click on the wall that was behind it, you can press it, and there we go, we've kind of cut the wall and we have split it. So if I go over here, we have a split wall, which is looking just like this. Okay, so that's one smart way to do it. You can just draw walls over the existing walls like this, and then delete the ones that are at the bottom, and that way you can make cuts and cut the walls. Okay, so that's if you're actually drawing your own walls. However, if you're drawing walls and putting them inside like rooms like this, so if you have like a room, for example, there's also ways to do this, but this one doesn't have a delete button. So notice if I click here, I can click on the hide wall. Yes, that's possible, and the wall is gonna get hidden just like this. However, I can't actually cut it. There's no way to delete parts of it. So to do this, what you have to do is the following. You want to click on a specific wall, and you want to click on this button, which is going to say add corner. Okay, so if you click on add corner, it's going to split it in two equal parts. So we have one over here and one over here, and of course you can then change these by dragging them like that. Now whenever you click on a specific part, you can of course click on here again, and it's going to split that into half as well, and you can do that as many times as you want. So as you can see here, I now have two parts of this wall. I can click on this one and hide it, and as you can see, it's going to cut that specific wall. I can do the same thing down here, so click on this wall, click on hide, and of course it's going to hide that as well. Or I could go as far as clicking here, cutting it, and then for example I could cut that into another piece as well over here, and then delete this piece by hiding it. And if I go to 3D, you can see over here I've successfully cut the wall in here in Planner 5D. So that's essentially kind of the best way to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.